I'll be right back. You know, I was messing around in SafeBell. Look, when I hit this, you know, same usual. But when I go back, look at this. I am pressing nothing. So I have nothing to do, and I can't find an 8 gigabyte freaking USB drive. The only USB thing I have is like 32 gigabyte. That's right, 32 gigabyte. So I don't know what to do. I'm freaking up. Now I'm using my Nintendo Switch. I mean, if you want to be. Oh my god. Look at this, my VR. I have everything I had it. But now it's freaking ruined. It's always fucking ruined. Sorry for cursing, but I'm just so mad. Oh my god. If anyone can please tell me how, because I don't know, I was trying to fix this. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Someone please send, like, I don't know, comment or how to do this. I might need to get a new phone. I don't know what to do. Look, like, I had this. I put everything in the computer. Like, look. This is part of the VR. And now I wait for a few moments. Someone has to tell me. Oh, my battery's low. Shit, fuck. We wait for a few moments. I'm just gonna get some Discord or cry for a second. It's like literally plugged in. I'm not to hold it or anything, but like, oh, it's definitely plugged in. Look at this. The update file cannot be fine. Connect the USB storage. It's an update file. Well, I don't know. PS was goddamn broken. This thing was like 5 years. Actually, maybe 20 or maybe 1,000. I wasn't in there. For 5 years, and I had that. So I don't know what to do. Somebody send help, please. Somebody like tell me. I might live stream. I might like. I want to punch this TV so bad. I don't know what to do. Someone comment to me, please. Send help. I don't know what to do. Like, I know how to get an 8 gigabyte storage USB drive, but I can't find that. I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. I'm sorry, but I just don't know. Bye, guys. Someone please comment. Please, someone has sent help. I'm sorry.